Hi, Seth Amazon here, and in today's video, I want to show you how to unpublish a book on Amazon KDP. So you've published a book, but you want to unpublish it, you want to take it out of sale, maybe for a limited period or permanently. I'm doing this video because I got some concerns about people who actually do not know how to go about this. So it's going to be very simple and short. I'll go straight to the point to avoid any rush. So, whatever your reason of unpublishing your book, first thing you have to do is to log into your Amazon KDP account. And once you are here, you locate the particular book you want to unpublish, whether a Kindle book, a paperback book, or a hardcover book. So, I am going to just show you, and it's a very simple process. So, what you do is you come, the ellipsis here, the three dots by the right hand side, like you can see. I just hover it. You can choose to click or hover it with your mouse. You get to see the option. Now, can you see the option here? Unpublish ebook. Because I'm attempting to unpublish a Kindle ebook. So I just have to click on that and click on unpublish. Once you click on unpublish, this book, let me click on unpublish and you see what happens. When you click on unpublish, the book reverts from live to what? To draft unpublished. Now, the fact that this is now draft and unpublished does not mean that the book will be automatically removed from sale immediately. It's going to take a while, and Amazon will remove it from sale. If you search this book after a while, you will see that the book is now temporarily out of stock because you have decided to unpublish the book. However, if you make a decision again in the future and you choose to republish the book, all you simply have to do is you can click on continue setup and then continue on the same process you used to publish the book. Mind you, all the information you had earlier put will still be there. You don't have to put any further information except you have to change something like the price, or you want to upload a new cover, you want to upload a new manuscript. Then that's when you make changes. However, if you want to republish this book, all you can simply do is either you click on continue setup if you want to change a few other information on the details page, or you just simply highlight it again and then go straight to this part where you see edit ebook pricing. It takes you to the last page. It takes you to the last page of your Amazon KDP publishing setup where you have the pricing, and then you just scroll downwards and you click on publish your Kindle ebook. If I click on publish your Kindle ebook, the button here, this automatically republish the book. So you can see from here that the book again has been republished. You can see that just like it's a new book. So I'll just click on close now, and then that is basically it. You can see now it says live updates publishing. Live updates publishing. Live because it has already been published. Update publishing because I am republishing. So this is just a simple and fast way to unpublish a book from Amazon KDP. Just in case you have whatever reason that is making you do this, this is exactly how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful as much as I found great value doing it for you. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share it, and keep watching. Thank you.